Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the Gigabyte B650M Aorus Elite AX motherboard. We'll be finding all the temperature sensors on this board. This is super useful for monitoring your system's health. Knowing where these sensors are allows you to understand your PC's thermal performance. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why temperature monitoring is important. Overheating can damage your components. Knowing your temperatures helps you prevent this. Modern motherboards have several sensors. These sensors monitor different areas. They include the CPU, VRM, chipset, and sometimes even individual M.2 drives. Locating these sensors can be tricky. Manufacturers don't always label them clearly on the board itself. We'll use software to help us pinpoint their locations. Now, let's use the software approach. Download and install HWMonitor. This is a popular program for monitoring system temperatures. Open HWMonitor. You'll see a list of sensors. Look for labels related to your motherboard. You'll likely see temperatures for the CPU, motherboard, and chipset. Identifying the exact location of each sensor requires some detective work. Monitor the reported temperatures. Stress test different components. For example, run a CPU benchmark. Observe which temperature rises. This will help you identify the CPU sensor. Next, let's look at the VRM temperatures. VRMs are responsible for powering the CPU. They can get quite hot. Look for a sensor labeled VRM or something similar. If you don't see a clear label, try stressing the CPU. Observe the temperatures that increase alongside the CPU temperature. These sensors are likely related to the VRMs. Now, let's talk about the chipset temperature. The chipset controls communication between different components. It usually has its own heatsink. Look for a sensor labeled chipset or PCH. Stress testing the storage drives connected to the chipset can help identify the sensor. Many modern motherboards also include sensors for M.2 slots. These sensors are located near the M.2 slots. If you have an M.2 SSD installed, check the temperatures reported in HWMonitor. Look for labels like M.2_1 temperature or similar. This will help you monitor the temperature of your M.2 drive. Remember, sensor names can vary. The key is to observe temperature changes. Relate them to specific components under load. Consider using the motherboard manual. It may contain information on sensor locations. However, it's not always detailed. By using software and some careful observation, you can identify the temperature sensors. This allows you to monitor your system's thermal performance. This will extend the lifespan of your components. Knowing your temperatures empowers you to optimize your cooling solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Your support helps me create more videos like this.